Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw Jason Voorhees. Start by drawing a circle as a guide for the top part of the head. An easy way to draw a circle is to first sketch a couple of guidelines. Draw a vertical line to determine the circle's length. However long you make this line, that's how big the circle will be. Make a small mark halfway on the vertical line. Make the mark longer to create a horizontal line. You're basically creating a big plus sign. At the top of the vertical line, make a small mark for the top edge of the circle. At the bottom, draw another small mark for the bottom edge of the circle. Draw a couple more small marks on the tips of the horizontal line to indicate the sides of the circle. Make sure that the distances between the small marks and the middle of the plus sign are about the same. Now connect the small marks using curved lines to finish the shape of the circle. Sketch lightly at first so that it's easy to erase if you make a mistake. Also, pause the video as you follow along to draw at your own pace. Make the vertical line longer so that it's below the circle. At the bottom, make a small mark to indicate the lower edge of the head. The distance between this small mark and the bottom edge of the circle should be equal to about a quarter of the length of the circle. Extend the bottom mark to create a horizontal line. Connect the line to the sides of the circle using curved lines to finish the guide for the lower section of the head. The bottom of the head should be similar to a wide letter U. Below the head, draw a couple of vertical lines as guides for the neck. And that's it for the guidelines. Now let's start on the final drawing. Inside the head, lightly sketch two small circles for the eye holes on the mask. Place the circles below the horizontal construction guide and on either side of the vertical guide. The circles should be small in relation to the rest of the head. When you get the sizes and positions of the circles right, darken the lines. Below the eye holes, draw a short horizontal line to indicate a bump on the mask that's in front of the nose. Pay attention to the distance between this line and the bottom edge of the circle. Above that, draw a couple more lines to emphasize the shape of the bump. Draw a short line at the top and a couple of sloping lines on the sides. On the top edge of the circle, draw a small rectangle for a strap on the mask. Draw the top of this shape higher than the top of the circle. Inside the bottom part of the strap, draw a small circle for a clasp. Draw similar shapes on the left side for another strap on the mask. Draw a small rectangular shape and then draw a short line at the top for the strap curving behind the head. Draw this shape on the tip of the horizontal construction guide. Inside the strap, draw a small oval for a clasp. Draw similar shapes on the right side for the last strap on the mask. Curve the shape of the strap behind the head. Now darken the outer edges of the initial guides to create the shape of the mask. Make the bottom of the mask a bit more curved than the initial guide. At the top, make the mask a bit wider than the initial circle. Draw a couple of curved lines at the top for the visible part of the head. Don't overlap the top strap as you draw these lines. Sketch lightly at first and only darken the lines when you get the shapes right. On the top right side, draw 2 long sloping lines for a crack on the mask. Join the lines together at the bottom to create a pointy tip. Now draw the design elements on the mask. Draw a wide triangle above the eyes and directly in the middle of the plus sign. Below the eyes, draw 2 more triangles. Place the bottom edges of the triangles along the path of the circle. Now draw a series of circles for holes on the mask. Draw a couple of circles above the corners of the top triangle. Draw a row of 3 circles on the left side. Place the circles using a diagonal orientation. Draw a similar row of circles on the right side too. Try to make both sides of the mask the same, but it's okay if it's not perfectly symmetrical. Add a couple more small circles on each side of the mask. Use the initial construction lines as guides to help you place the circles. Draw a small oval below the bump for the nose. On the left side of the mask, draw 3 more circles in the shape of a triangle. Draw the 3 small circles on the right side too. On the bottom part of the mask, draw 2 rows of circles. Draw 3 circles on each row. Draw 2 more circles on the sides of the rows and below the thin triangles. Draw a couple of angled lines on the side of the neck for the shirt's collar. Bend the bottoms of the lines around the shape of the neck. Use angled lines at the bottom to create the pointy tips on the collar. Curve the shape of the collar in toward the middle of the neck. Draw a couple more lines on the sides that curve up toward the mask. Draw a curved horizontal line for the inner shirt's collar. Draw short horizontal lines on the sides for the visible sections of the shoulders. And that's it for Jason. Now go over the final lines with permanent ink, erase the guides, and color your drawing. The next few steps are sped up so that the video isn't too long, but make sure that you go over your final lines slowly and carefully to avoid any accidents. For more tutorials like this one, please visit EasyDrawingTutorials.com. Let me know in the comments what else you want to see me draw. Don't forget to leave a like and to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep drawing.